How it's a cleaning agent and it cleans them off, okay? Cleans your pesticides off. So we're just going to put a bunch of tomatoes in here and on both sides, because I'm going to show you the difference between tap water and the 11.5 water. So that should be about even, right? Is that about even? Okay. So put that over there. Okay, when you clean your fresh fruits and vegetables, you probably use tap water. When I clean my fresh fruits and vegetables, I use 11.5 water. Now all this is water, and the reason why I have it in a dark container like this is because it holds its properties longer and it actually gets stronger as it sits in this little bottle. But it is just water. Now I don't drink this water, it's a cleaning water. 11.5 is representing how alkaline it is. So let me show you by putting this in my Kangen water. It's just water though. It's just more alkaline. And let me show you what it does. While this is soaking, I'm going to show you why it does what it does. Here's some toasted toasted sesame oil. It's dark so that you can see visually the difference here. So I've got a little bit of oil in each one. And what do you know about water and oil? They don't mix, right? All your life, they've never mixed. So there's water and oil, and it's not mixing, it's separating. And when I pour 11.5 water onto the oil, do you see how it just emulsifies? It emulsifies the oil. When I saw that, I was like, oh my gosh, I've never seen water and oil mix like that. It's amazing. You don't even have to buy milk anymore. No, I'm just kidding, don't drink it. So let me show you what comes off your tomatoes with tap water. Okay, a little bit of gunk. And then let's see what comes off using your 11.5 water. And you see all that junk? You should see what comes off of your strawberries and your grapes and even apples. It's not yellow like this. It's like a clear milky color when it's off. There's different pesticides on different fresh fruits and vegetables, but you know what? When they spray the food, it's not meant to come off in the rains and the irrigation. It's oil-based so that it stays on even when the rain comes down. But oil is no match for 11.5. It can take that stuff right off the skins. And if you were here and tasted the difference, you could totally taste the difference. This tastes like a fresh tomato right out of the garden. This one with the pesticides still on it has a bitter, sour taste to it. You can totally tell the difference.